Wanderlust Travel Hub, WTH, is a trusted B2B travel company for Rajasthan and Uttarakhand. More than just a travel provider, WTH serves as a reliable partner for clients seeking premium and personalized travel experiences. Owned by Ms. Poonam Raj Chaudhari, WTH specializes in B2B, leisure travel, MICE, meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions, destination wedding and transportation across North India. We focus on delivering guaranteed quality, transparency, and customized travel plans. Here's why WTH is the preferred partner for travel professionals. Proven track record, recognized by the Ministry of Tourism as an experienced travel agent, WTH has built a reputation for excellence, reliability, and professionalism. Our long-standing relationships and consistently positive feedback reflect our commitment to being a trusted B2B partner. Expertise and knowledge, guided by Mr. Raj Chaudhari and Ms. Poonam Chaudhari, each with over 20 years of industry experience, our team brings unmatched regional knowledge of Rajasthan and Uttarakhand. We design immersive and culturally rich travel experiences rooted in the nuances of these destinations. Trustworthy B2B supplier, no own branding, WTH operates with a no branding policy to protect our agents' client relationships. We remain completely brand neutral, keeping our identity hidden from guests to ensure that the client always belongs to the original booking agent. Our vehicles are unbranded, and we provide hotel vouchers with no WTH branding, allowing agents to maintain full ownership of the client relationship. With WTH, agents can stop worrying about client retention, as clients will return with wonderful memories and loyalty to the original agent. Trusted for HNI and VIP clients, our agents trust WTH to expertly handle high-net-worth individuals, HNI, delegates, and VIPs, providing worry-free quality support for high-end clients. At WTH, we don't support budgeted packages or cheap accommodations. Instead, we deliver carefully crafted tour packages that reflect our commitment to quality. Our motto is to serve the best, and we believe that excellence is worth the investment. We prioritize quality over quantity, ensuring each experience is meaningful and unforgettable. Prompt reply: we believe in responding on the same day within 24 hours. In urgent cases, we can reply within minutes, understanding the importance of timely communication. Presence: with established operations in Mumbai, Rajasthan, Agra, and Delhi, WTH has a strong presence that enhances service quality and accessibility. This regional reach ensures smooth operations in Rajasthan and Uttarakhand. Diverse range of services. WTH offers a complete suite of services, including hotel bookings, exclusive themed dinners, customized tours, and more. Our luxury transport fleet spans Mumbai, Rajasthan, and Uttarakhand, offering comfortable and safe travel with highly experienced, knowledgeable, and trustworthy chauffeurs who are familiar with each destination. Specialization across travel segments. Our services cater to various travel needs, from individual, effort, and group travel to destination weddings, incentive tours, pilgrimage tours, wildlife excursions, and luxury rail journeys. Destination weddings with Wanderlust Travel Hub, WTH. Make your dream wedding a reality with Wanderlust Travel Hub. We specialize in seamless destination wedding transportation and logistics across Rajasthan and North India. Whether it's the grandeur of Jaipur's palaces or the charm of a serene location in Uttarakhand, WTH ensures every detail is managed with perfection. Quality assurance. At WTH, we prioritize quality and transparency. We maintain high standards across all services, ensuring premium experiences are always transparently chargeable, giving clients a clear understanding of the value they receive. Personalized and customizable itineraries. WTH focuses on designing custom itineraries that cater to individual preferences. Our team collaborates closely with partners to deliver seamless, unique travel experiences tailored to reflect each client's specific interests and requirements. Reliable support and accessibility. Our team's customer-first approach emphasizes communication, transparency, and prompt responses. WTH provides professional support from planning to on-ground coordination, giving peace of mind to travel agents and their clients. Team accessibility. Team WTH is always available with a smile, from planning to executing the tour, ensuring that every guest enjoys their journey. Our team, led by Mr. Raj Chaudhari, is accessible 24/7 to assist with all needs. Curated hotel collection. WTH partners exclusively with hotels that our team has personally vetted, stayed in, and used over time, ensuring quality and reliability. Our collection includes a variety of 3 to 5-star hotels, heritage hotels, and resorts in every segment. Guaranteed best rates. Our carefully selected hotel partners provide our clients with the best rates, ensuring high-quality service and excellent value. 15. Client reviews and feedback. We value our clients' experiences and strive to improve every day. Check out what others have to say about Wanderlust Travel Hub.
Amazing level of service and knowledge on domestic tours for private corporate groups to individual families and honeymooners. Mr. Raj Chaudhari and his entire team at Wanderlust Travel Hub office are excellent. Very helpful and informative. I am Sagar Wachor, President of Travel Agents Association of Nashik.
Trip to Rajasthan. The entire trip was very well organized along with all the major points such as proper traveler, guides, well-planned itinerary along with comfortable stay by Mr. Raj. All the drivers given by the company were very skilled and very helpful. They were humble and kind, also made sure we all had a comfortable travel along with suggesting local food joints. Excellent trip. We really enjoyed.
With Wanderlust Travel Hub, you're not just booking a trip, you're partnering with a team dedicated to making every journey exceptional. Choose WTH for a stress-free, high-quality travel experience across North India. Relax and leave the details to us, knowing you're in capable hands. Stay updated on the latest travel insights, tips, and destinations. Subscribe to Wanderlust Travel Hub on YouTube and join us in exploring the beauty of North India.